think the biggest thing is like that guys don't understand is that logistics is like so important. And that's, I mean, that's a lot of what you're talking about is like the logistics. It doesn't matter, you know, because I get guys all the time where I'll be coaching them and they'll be like, hey, oh, well, I made out with the girl, like it's a done deal, you know, and she's like totally into me. I'm like, yeah, the friend is gonna blow the fucking thing up.
Exactly,
like it doesn't matter. She could be like madly like just want to tear your fucking clothes off, like just completely sexually attracted to you. But if the friend is there, or if like she's the driver or whatever the circumstances, that whole thing will be blown up. I mean, like a guy, like if we're, because I think that it's different, right? Like if we're out at a club and you know there's some girl and I don't even have a place. If you'd be like, dude, just take my car. Here's my fucking keys. I'll sleep on the fucking street, man. Like just go out. You know what I mean? Like that's how
it is, right?
That's how we do it. So a lot of guys think that's how girls do it. I have a funny story about that too. I actually, there was a friend of mine I was supposed to meet. I was like, let's meet at this place. So I said, he said, cool. So I get that. And mind you, I haven't seen this guy in like over a year, right? And we're going to get together, hang out. So I get to the place, I think maybe a half an hour before him. And so he's like, hey, I'm gonna probably be 15 minutes late. So it's like 45 minutes. Within that time, I was talking to this girl. And then she wanted to take me home. So I texted my friend and I said, bro, this bad chick I'm talking to, she's trying to leave. So he said, hey, I'm right in the front. He said, but go ahead, do your thing. So as I'm walking out the place, he's coming in the place. I just shake his hand and I said, I'm gonna holler at you later. And then you see what I mean? And I went up with the girl and then I hit him up the next day. You know what I mean? And so that's how guys, but if that was a girl, oh shit, never happened like that. No way. She, can you imagine? Like, I mean, she'd be ostracized from her social.
Exactly.
Like she'd be done forever, right? And you see it even today. Like I was looking at an Instagram. There's this girl, and she's like, you know, it's her best friend's birthday, and she's like, she posts like 50 stories about this girl. Like, you think that girl that posts 50 stories about some girl that like you're gonna show up one night at a nightclub and you're gonna get between the two of them,
right?
It doesn't matter how fucking hot you are or what kind of game you're spitting. It doesn't matter.
That's true. It's the logistics too. It's like all those things that's combined, and I try to get guys to understand this is why you have to play volume. You understand? Because you need to be able to get. It's just like business. Like, you know, if you're in a business, you want to get a lot of leads. You understand? Then from those leads can turn into customers, right? But you're not just going to sit there and just like wait for, you know what I mean? You have to get a large volume, and then it narrows down to what you actually are going to benefit from. You know what I mean?